Good morning, guys. Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and let's talk about what you should consider doing with your orthotics after you've had a knee replacement. So if you've seen some of my other videos, I talk about getting new shoes. I'm not a big believer in having to spend lots and lots of money on new shoes, but I do think a new pair of shoes is important after your knee replacement, simply because the alignment of the knee is going to influence the hip, the ankle, the foot. And so having a pair of shoes that you can break in to the new alignment is going to be much more beneficial than wearing the old shoes that are broken into the old knee alignment. But orthotics play an interesting role in this. So I used to make custom orthotics. I used to do the custom fitting, the foam press molds. I used to have a force plate that allowed me to measure where excessive forces were going through the foot, the toe. Since then, I've moved more toward a minimalist kind of choice for footwear. I do believe the foot needs to be developed, the intrinsic muscles need to be strengthened. I tend to prefer a wide shoe that allows the foot to move the way it's naturally designed. But regardless of my opinion, if you've had a pair of orthotics that were custom made for you and you had a total knee replacement, I do believe it's time to get those orthotics reassessed. Now, many of you, after knee replacement surgery, might not be wearing your normal shoes, might not be using your orthotics for a while, but once you pass that 6-week, 10 weeks, 12-week recovery time frame, you might be thinking about going back to the orthotics you had. One way you can do it is experiment. So just like when you first got the orthotics, you might put them in your shoe, wear them for an hour, then take them out, see how you respond to it. But if you still have a connection to the person who created the orthotic, whether it be a physical therapist or an orthotist or some other podiatrist or some specialist, I do recommend that you have a new evaluation of the foot and ankle. You see what the new knee alignment is doing to the foot and ankle, and you make a determination if the original orthotics are still useful for you, if you need a custom set of new orthotics, or maybe you just don't need orthotics any longer, period. So that's my advice. Let me know what you guys think. And if you're using orthotics right now, let me know how your body's responding with the new knee alignment for the leg. I'll catch you guys on the next video.